Good morning, children. Today we are going to science class, second standard, plants of backyard. Plants of backyard. So, children, we see many kinds of plants around us, isn't it? We see many kinds of plants around us. Plants have life in them. Okay, plants have life in them. They play an important role in our life. They play an important role in our life. Some are big and some are small trees. So let us learn about them in detail. Okay, children, let us learn about the plants in detail. Okay, children, you can see that, look at here picture. Have you seen these? Identify and write their names. Okay. First picture says that first picture is, you can see that children, sugar cane. What is this? Sugar cane. Here tulasi. Here tulasi. Here what is this? Maize. Okay. Creepers. Creepers means pumpkin. Pumpkin creepers. Tomato, coconut. Okay, name the different trees and plants which you know. You see that, you can see that these picture, different types of plants. This one, okay, these are. Recognize the parts of the plant that are marked. Take the help of the teacher or parents. Write their names in this box. Look at here, children. This one, the parts of the plant. Okay, children, the parts of the plants we call it, this is root. We call it root, stem, and flower, leaf. Okay, branches. This is called branches, fruit. Okay, like this. Okay, children, root, branch, you call it trunk. This call it trunk. This is a trunk. Leaf, flower and fruits are the important parts of plant. Once again, root, trunk, leaf, then after flower, branches. Okay, like this. And also fruits. This one fruits. Okay, children. So, children, trees. What do you mean by trees? Trees called big and strong plants. Big and small plants. Big and small plants or strong plants are called trees. Big and strong plants are called trees. They have thick wooden stem. They have thick wooden stem. ದಪ್ಪವಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. That is called trunk. We call it, that is called trunk. The trees means big and strong plants are called trees. They have a thick wooden stem, that is called trunk. Okay, children. These trees live for long period of time. These trees live for long period of time. Their wood is used for furniture, fuel, etc. You understand? What do you mean by trees, children? The trees, big and strong plants are called trees. They have a thick wooden stem, that is called trunk. These trees live for long period of time. Their wood is used for furniture, fuel, etc. Now, shrubs. Shrubs. So, shrubs are smaller plants. Look at here. Shrubs. Shrubs are smaller. This one. Smaller plants. They have many woody stems. They have many woody stems. They look busy as their branches are very close to each other. Okay, children, very Many branches are here. Many, look at here, many branches are here and very close to what? Each other. ಹತ್ತತ್ರವಾಗಿ ಕೊಂಬೆಗಳನ್ನ ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. The shrubs are smaller plants. Okay, children. Now, for example, tulsi, tomato plants, rose plants, like that, perfume are made like this. Okay, children. Now, herbs. Very small plants are known as herbs. Very small plants. For example, tulsi. Very small plants. They live a short life. Okay, children. They stay for a season only, and also tulsi you see in that all season, but mint, pudina soppu antiralla, pudina, coriander leaves, like this is the very small plants and also known as the herbs. We call it these plants call it herbs. For example, coriander leaves, methi leaves, and also mint. Okay, children. Now, this is the climbers. Climbers means these plants have very weak stem. Weak ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ stem ಅದ್ರದ್ದು. They need a support to climb on. They climb with the help of their tendrils. Okay, here the climbers means the climbers are very weak stem, children. The climbers are very weak stem. You can see that in your backyard, or in your in around us, or in forest. You can see that the small plants are going through the support to the big trees. ಸೊ ಬಳ್ಳಿಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಅದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಜಾಸ್ಮಿನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದ trees. Okay, children. They climb with the help of the climb ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿರತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ? ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮರಗಳ ಆಸರೆಯನ್ನ ಪಡೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿರತ್ತೆ. ಅವುಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು climbers, we call it climbers. Once again, climbers means these plants have very weak stems. They need a support to climb on. They climb with the help of their tendrils. Okay, children. Now, creepers. You can see that picture, creepers. Some plants spread on the ground. Some plants spread on the ground. So, pumpkin is one such example. Here is the pumpkin spread on only ground, and these called creepers. Okay, children. Then, like this, or you understand what do you mean by trees, what do you mean by shrubs, what do you mean by herbs, what do you mean by climbers, and also creepers. Okay, children. And also you know that parts of the plants. This one is leaf, flower, branches, fruits, stem, roots. Okay, children. Now, look at the picture, observe and tell whether the size of, this is the trees, big trees, okay. Big and strong plants are called trees. They have a thick wooden stem. Thick wooden stem, this one, okay. This is the shrubs, okay, children. Listen, observe the carefully. Now I tell you the plants of bitter gourd, grapes, and snake gourd. Do they look like trees or herbs? Okay. If know them, what do you call them? Okay. You might have listened to elders at home talking. Then I will tell you. I now tell you. This is the climbers. This picture shows that climbers, and also creepers, and grapevine and pumpkin also creepers. Okay, children. Observe the shape of the trunks. Look at here. You observe the shape of the trunks of the plants and trees in the given picture. So look at here. The shape of the trunks. Go curved shape, straight, and also straight. This is the very stem is there, but that is not strong. Okay. Shrubs, creepers, climbers, creepers, climbers. Okay. So the shape and size of the trunks of these plants are different type. Now look at here, write the names of the plant you have seen under the following groups: plants, trees, climber, creep. Then I will give the next notes. This one, write the names of the plants. So write down the plants here. For example, tomato plants, tulsi plants, mm, some plants you have to written here, and trees, mango tree, and then after tamarind tree, jackfruit tree, teak tree, like this. Okay. Now here plants you have to return. Which one you have to return here? And also climbers, so pumpkin climbers, grapes, wine. Then after next what you have to return, children? Ash god creepers, like this. Okay. Now look at here, observe the picture leaves. Do the shape of the leaves. Look at here, this picture shape is these is leaves are different types of shapes, is it? Some leaves are small, some leaves are big, in shape of the leaves are also different. Usually all the leaves are green in color. Okay children, these leaves are which color? Green color. So some are small here, and also small, some are big here, and also shape also different types. Okay children, and the color is same. In now look at the picture, you can see that picture, you have to color it only green color. Okay, don't draw fill the color in another color. Okay, the leaf color is what children? So the leaf color is green, you must and should fill the color green color. Okay, collect the dry leaves and paste them in the box. So you collect the leaves, and sometime you, after some time you look at the leaves dry, is it? So you paste this in your notebook. Okay, the dry leaves. And if you find these flowers in your locality, put tick mark. Locality means in around us. If you find these flowers, yes. Okay, this one is the what? Rose. What is this? Rose. You have the tick mark here. Okay children, then after this one what? Marigold. Put tick mark here. We can see that picture. Sunflower. Yes, we can see that. Hibiscus, lotus, daisy, like this. Okay. Name the flowers you have seen, and the answer the following. Name the flowers you have seen. Rose, lotus, hibiscus, daisy, like this, marigold, sunflower. Name the flowers plants in your garden. Do all the flowers look the same? Name the colors of the flowers in your garden. Which colors we have in your garden? You have to return this name. There are different colors of flowers. For example, red, blue, white, yellow flowers are here. Okay. So look at the color of the flowers. What is the color of the flowers? Red. You have to return here. Red. And what is the color of the jasmine? White. What is the color of the sunflower? Yellow. What is the color of daisy? Color of the daisy? Write down. What? Lavender. Like this. What is the color of this flower? Sunrise color. Okay. Saffron also. Okay. Now sing and enjoy, children. Here is the small poem is here about plants and trees and also creepers. So you read like this. Look at here. Plants, trees and creepers are the different type of plants. Stem, leaf and flower are different parts of the plants. Mango, neem and coconut trees have creepers spread around their trunks. The rain and wind pour down the trees but cannot dent their majesty. Tall and short, thick and thin. Many trunks are there around, with big and small green leaves spread around all of them. Jasmine, champa, sampigi spread their fragrance here and there. Red and orange, pink and white, fill us all with joy so bright. Are you understand, children, this poem? Plants, trees and creepers are the different type of plants. Is it? Plants, trees and also creepers, different type of plants. But these are plants, but different types of plants. The plants have stem, leaf and also flower. Okay. Or the stem, leaf and flower are also different parts of the plants. Now, mango, neem, coconut trees have creepers spread around their trunks. The creepers spread around mango, neem and coconut are big trees and also creepers spread around their trunks. The rain and wind bow down the trees but cannot dent their majesty. When the rain and wind come, bow down the trees but cannot destroy destroy creepers. Okay. Tall and short, thick and thin. Listen here. Tall and short, thick and thin. Many trunks are there around. You can see the tall trees, short trees, thick trees, thin trees, and many trunks are there around. With big and small green leaves also spread around them, all of them. Okay, jasmine, champa, sampige spread their fragrance here and there. Red and orange, pink and white fill us all with joy so bright. Okay, children, you read this poem neatly and neatly you have to read this. Okay, children. Now this chapter you you learn that after finishing this chapter you learn that what do you mean by trees, what do you mean by shrubs, what do you mean by herbs, what do you mean by climbers and all know, and you know that you understand that here in this chapter you understand what, children? You understand recognize the local plants and also trees and important parts of the plant, and also you compare the height of the plants and you different types of shape of the leaves and different colors of the flowers. You understand that, isn't it, children? So do you know that? Do you understand this chapter? The what do you know? What is the name of this chapter? Plants of backyard. So some trees, shrub, herbs, clambers, and also creepers. You understand that, and the shape of the color, flowers like that. Okay, children. So next I will give the notes. You have to write neatly and correctly. Okay, you read this chapter and learn the question and answer neatly. Okay, by heart, and also understand that questions and also write the answer. Okay, children. Thank you. Enjoy.